Garlic is a superfood that has been cherished for centuries, from ancient Egypt to modern kitchens. But a lingering question remains: should you eat garlic with or without the peel? In today's video, we'll look deep into expert opinions, recent research, and practical tips to help you decide. So stick around, because you might be surprised by what we will review. First, let's talk about the basics. Garlic belongs to the allium family, along with onions, leeks, and shallots. Most of us are familiar with peeling garlic to use the cloves in cooking. But did you know that the peel, the thin peppery layer around each clove, also contains bioactive compounds? It's not just waste. It has some interesting properties that we will discuss later in this video. Peeling garlic is often seen as necessary for texture and flavor. Without removing the peel, dishes can have a fibrous texture. But is removing the peel causing us to miss out on important nutrients? Let's find out. Let's hear from the experts. According to renowned nutritionist Anjali Mukherjee, garlic peels don't contribute much nutritionally and are best discarded. She compares them to onion peels, which are similarly fibrous and not commonly eaten. On the other hand, some food scientists suggest that while garlic peels might not be palatable, they are not entirely useless. Research indicates that garlic peels are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. This means they could offer some health benefits, including reducing oxidative stress and supporting heart health. However, as we'll see in the next segment, there's more to consider than just nutrition. Recent scientific studies have shed light on the hidden potential of garlic peels. A study published in the Journal of Food Processing and Preservation found that garlic peel extracts contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Another study in Food Science and Technology highlighted the antioxidant properties of garlic peels, which could play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But here is the catch. These benefits are often studied in concentrated extracts, not in the raw peels themselves. This raises the question: can the average person realistically benefit from these compounds by eating garlic peels? Let's explore the practical side of this debate. Now let's get practical. Garlic peels are tough, fibrous, and not exactly appetizing. Chewing them directly isn't enjoyable for most people. However, there are ways to incorporate this benefit without eating them whole. For example, add garlic peels to your homemade vegetable broth. They infuse the broth with flavor and nutrients, and you can strain them out later. Use them to make garlic peel tea. Simply steep the peels in hot water for 10 minutes, and you've got a warm health boosting beverage. If you compost, garlic peels are also great for enriching soil, so nothing goes to waste. These methods let you extract the good stuff without dealing with the tough texture of the peel. In conclusion, so should you consume garlic with or without the peel? Here's the verdict. For everyday cooking, it's perfectly fine to remove the peel, especially if texture and flavor are your priorities. However, if you want to maximize garlic's health benefits, consider creative ways to use the peel, like adding it to broth or teas. Remember, garlic's core health benefits come from its cloves, which are rich in allicin and other compounds. The peel is a bonus, not essential, but worth considering if you want to reduce food waste and explore new ways to use every part of the ingredient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, how do you use garlic in your kitchen? Do you have any unique tips or tricks? We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, take care and stay healthy. God bless you. I love you. Bye for now.